This is the left-hander's desk diary or calendar. The page sizes overall are 7 inches wide by 9 inches deep, and we put on a bit of A4 paper here so you can see it's slightly smaller than a bit of A4 paper. So let's have a look inside. Now of course it opens from left to right, and all the writing and note areas are down the left hand side of the page, so as you're writing you aren't going to get your hand stuck on this central ring binder, which can happen with a normal diary. We start off with a full calendar for 2009, and then this is the standard layout of the pages with a 1 week view on the left and some interesting left-handed facts and information on the right, and also famous left-hander birthdays and other calendar information noted on the individual days. And we flip right through the whole year like that, and at the end there's a 2010 year planner for months in total, and there's 2008 and 2010 calendars as well. Let's have a closer look at a few individual pages so you can see the detail. So there it is, the left-hander's 2009 desk calendar and diary.